What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Coffee Pod. My name is Chisha Zed.
Drink the coffee, it'll make you feel better.
Brace yourselves, brace yourselves. We have yet another video of women slaving away in the kitchen. Yes, guys, that's what we have here. It seems like every once in a while we have to have one of these videos where a woman, or in this case, multiple women are cooking. Multiple women are cooking, and feminists are angry, very mad, very mad. This video is captioned, Mexican household, ... Men sit and eat while women cook. Again, men sit and eat, enjoy, do nothing, stuff their faces while women cook. Had to repeat it a couple of times. Let's get it.
In a Mexican household, the men sit and eat while the women slave in the kitchen. And that's just how it is.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Are you guys doing good? Yeah? Okay. ¿Ocupan algo más? Okay. Napkins coming up.
You ever want to know when the food's really good? When no one's saying a word. When people are not talking over the food that you just made. That's how you know the food's really good. Guys, that was the end of the video. It was like 23 seconds. Instantly went viral. Angry feminists everywhere. Modern women angry. But a lot of people combated the anger by saying, yo, we want to do this for our men. We enjoy doing this. Let me be clear. These aren't men who these women view as lazy. And I bet you they're not all millionaires and earning six figures. No. These are hardworking men who are appreciated for working hard. Yes. And luckily they had another video here showing them actually in the kitchen, showing us where the magic happens and where the oppression is taking place. Let's check it out.
Es difícil para mí poder soñar como lo hacen en los cuentos y los libros. Quizás porque costó la vida entera. Quizás porque perdí muchos amigos.
Okay, looks like we've got a hater here. This woman says, I honestly think it's a disgusting tradition and will not let that continue in my 3 kids' lives. But wait, she's not done hating on happily married people. She goes on to say, my boys will not treat their wives that way, and my daughter will not allow her husband to create that in, and I don't know what else she meant to say there, but we honestly don't care, which was followed by a response from the creator of the video. That's the lady who is serving her husband who recorded this whole video. She says, whatever makes you happy. Even her response is kind and feminine, unlike this chick who's bitter, upset, probably divorced, and is leading her daughter in the same position. Hey guys, did you know that I'm on Facebook? Go ahead and hit that link pinned to the top of the comment section. If you're on Facebook, give me a follow. You can keep track of current content, shorts, and also older content if you are following me on Facebook. Appreciate you guys. Back into the video.
Por eso yo también nací herido. Será porque la vida estaba herida. Por eso yo.
Oh, look, another hater. This woman says, I'm Mexican and this is not what happens in our house. My dad is not machista and we take turns and we sit down and eat together.
También nací herido.
Oh, look, we've got another modern woman here and a hater who wanted to chime in and give her negative take on the situation and says, I'm glad I'm not a real Mexican. The crying emojis, I could never. Look at that. And we eat as a family. Beautiful. They're sitting around there. Wow. Feminists are throwing up in their mouths. Modern women are rolling over, convulsing, and we love to see it. You know what? I've definitely seen this in my own family traditionally as well. It's not uncommon at all. You think that the men are sitting there because they refuse to go in the kitchen. No, if those men walk in the kitchen, because this is how it worked when I saw it when I was coming up. Those men, one of them enters the kitchen and tries to do something. No, they'll tell him to get out. They'll tell him to get out of the kitchen and sit down and wait for the food to be ready so that he can be served like the king he is. Let's check out some of these comments. Another hater. This chick says, thank God my family broke this tradition. Everyone gets the same treatment regardless of gender. Another bitter feminist here says, break that awful cycle. Change starts with you. Somebody else here says, thank God there's still women like this out there. I see probably 300 hours worked a week between all of them. People want to assume they're machista. They're just appreciated. Can you believe that? They're just appreciated. I often say, if you're willing to die for your wife, she should be at least willing to make you a sandwich. If you're willing to die for her. Now, a lot of guys mistake that with saying, well, the fact that I'm willing to die, that's all I should be willing to do, and I shouldn't have to be competent and pull my weight as a man. No, it just does not work that way. But the least you can do for your man, if you have a man who's willing to sacrifice himself in his life for you, and he's a hard worker, is show him this type of appreciation, which most American men really never get to experience. It's a sad thing. Another comment here says, those are good women raised right. I love it. Now the comment here says, nothing wrong with that at all. I love it that way. Another comment here says, all I see in this video is a room full of love and family time. I love it. Somebody else here says, I don't care what anyone else says. I love this. Our men take care of us and we love taking care of them. So these are the positive, encouraging comments, of course. There were definitely way too many negative comments. I didn't want to prioritize those in this video. This next one says, bitter old women always complaining. Somebody else here says, we do it out of love. We don't have to. Again, they do it out of love. They don't have to. The creator, the actual woman who made the video, left 100 emojis. Here's somebody else who says it's called love for their husbands because they know they work hella hard. Yes. Somebody else who says it's a Mexican tradition and we both love it. Here's somebody else who says, weird. I haven't seen that. Started dating my Mexican boyfriend this year and those men would not sit until the women and children sat and ate first. Of course, her comment got no likes because obviously she's just trying to paint a false narrative. Here's another comment that says, generational curses. Somebody else here says, thank God there's still women like this out there. And that's about it. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. I appreciate you as always for checking out yet another episode of The Coffee Pod. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.